Good evening, all of you. And we have with us respected Professor S.S. Das, sir, Dean Students Welfare. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
And respected HOD, Department of Mechanical Engineering with us. And our Chief Speaker, Professor Alok Satpathy, sir, is also with us. Good evening to all of you. And good evening, dear participants of the FDP program. Good evening and welcome to the closing ceremony and valedictory session of the ongoing online one-week AICTE Training and Learning Faculty Development Program called Novel Materials Fabrication, Design and Optimization, held from 20th September 2021 to 24th September 2021, organized by the Department of Mechanical Engineering, VSSUT Bulla. We had a total of 93 participants registered for the FDP program from various colleges and universities, who gave a very good response to the program through their active participation and cooperation. We had 16 sessions in total, where speakers from various areas of expertise related to new materials shared their knowledge and proficiency with us, for which we are really thankful. Over the last 5 days, we have had deep insights into several topics in relation to novel materials, that is, importance of new materials, mechanics of materials, advanced manufacturing techniques, characterization of materials, modeling and numerical analysis, role of physical, mechanical, thermal, electrical, and tribological, as well as optical properties of materials for various applications, surface engineering through surface coatings like plasma spray coating, cold spraying, and its effect on enhancing life of the materials, different optimization techniques like ANN, fuzzy logic, genetic algorithm, etc., and also hybridization techniques like neurofuzzy, GANN, etc., different evolutionary algorithms like artificial immune system and scatter search and path techniques in relinking, Taguchi Robo's design, artificial smart system approach for manufacturing, characterization, and optimization using nanoparticles, reduction of tool wear rate, getting superior surface finish, and reduced degree of surface cracking by using powder material during EDM, effect of thermal diffusion, thermal stresses, and residual stresses in material characterization, aluminum alloy-based metal matrix composites for use in automotive industry, and last but not the least, natural fibers and industrial waste for fabrication of composite materials and smart materials at least cost. Apart from technical sessions, the program also included sessions of the art of living, simple meditation techniques for stress management, life skills, and personality development through emotional intelligence. Now we have with us here Dr. Alok Satpathy sir, Professor NIT Rourkela, and our expert guest. I would like to request him to kindly illuminate us with his words on this occasion. Sir, please.
Okay, dear participants and all those who are present in this valedictory function, it is very nice that for the conveners that it has come to an end very fruitfully. And as the convener, Dr. Devasmita Misra, was listing out the topics, you can see that there is a variety of topics. Actually, almost all aspects of novel and advanced materials had been covered in these 5 days faculty development programs, including design, fabrication, and characterization, and also the optimization part. So, in a sense, the whole program is very nicely designed, and it is foolproof with all aspects of material science. And as it was mandatory for any FDP, there were sessions for soft skills also, and the sessions. I hope the sessions must have been very interesting for all the participants, not only from the viewpoint of listening and enjoying, but also from the viewpoint of thinking and formulating new research problems. So I congratulate the conveners, all the conveners, for nicely coordinating this FDP, and actually the Department of Mechanical Engineering also that also deserve a lot of praises for encouraging these young faculty members to conduct FDPs like this. So Professor Chittaranjan Deo is also there, so I congratulate him also as a senior member of the department. And with this, I wish that the Department of Mechanical Engineering of BSSUT, which is my alma mater, I also graduated from this department, will be conducting more such programs in future and help the scientific community in getting the shared information of research and updation of knowledge. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir. Your presence is indeed a great source of inspiration always for all of us. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Now I would like to request our Dean, Students Welfare, BSSUT Bulla, Professor Sudhanshu Shekhar Das, sir, to please speak a few words on this occasion. Sir, please.
Respected dignitaries, coordinators, Dr. Devasmita Mishra, Dr. Santosh Kumar Sahu, Dr. P.T.R. Swain, HOD, Dr. Chittaranjan Deo. It has organized a Atal FDP program, material fabrication design and optimization. It covers almost all of the things. When fabrication comes, means to start from zero to full. You can start from a scratch to a product. So here, optimization matters. How to optimize the use of material in fabrication. Again, in optimization, strength comes to the picture. So here, the already different optimization technique and new material come into the picture. So I feel coordinators have tried to cover almost all aspects with having 15 experts from IIT Bhubaneswar, NIT Rourkela, NIT Surathkal, BIT Mesra, BHU, and our own institute Bhishut. And they've well organized the lectures, and definitely I am overwhelmed looking at 93 participants, which is quite commendable. And it can be appreciated that 93 participants who have joined in this FDP. I hope all the participants have acquired some knowledge in this 5 days, and I feel it will definitely helpful to them in their professional career. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you so much for giving us an opportunity to conduct the program. I would like to also thank Professor P.R. Das, sir, who actually is absent today. In absentia, I want to thank him. Dean CDC, who encouraged us a lot also. And also our Vice Chancellor, sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, who is actually ill today. So he couldn't come, but he gave us his blessings. So very thankful for that. Now I would like to request Dr. C.R. Deo, sir, HOD Department of Mechanical Engineering, to please speak a few words. Sir, you are muted. Sir, you are muted.
Thank you, Coordinator Dr. Devasmita Mishra, Co-Coordinator Santosh Kumar Sahu, and Dr. P.T.R. Swain. First of all, I like to thank the Dean CDC, Professor P.R. Das, Dean Academic Devadatta Mishra, and Dean IQAC Professor B.B. Pati, and our Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Bansidhar Majhi, to give the moral support to conduct such FDP program in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. It is my pleasure to give my heartiest thanks to the coordinator to choose such a nice topic where the entire material engineering part is almost all covered. Along with this, we forget about, they have not forget about the how to change our lifestyle. They have added some lectures on art of living. So moreover, I can say the program is designed in such a manner that the all the aspects that required to run the life is almost all covered. Like we need material for our life and for our sophistication. Along with, we also required some mental peace, how to sustain in the future. So all the aspects I think covered. I also like to thanks to all the participants, those who have joined for the last 5 days in this program. And I also like to give my thanks to special thanks to Alok Satpathy sir for his blessings. And I assure that our department, Mechanical Engineering Department of SSUT, will conduct such type of nice program in near future. And we are also conducting regularly these things. So I request all the participants to be in touch with us and we'll intimate through mail and WhatsApp group to for the future program that we conducted in our department. So my special thanks to the coordinator, Dr. Debasmita Mishra, for conducting and taking pain to conduct such type of program. And by the way, she is trying to add in some milestone in our department. Thank you, madam.
Thank you so much, sir, for always being a constant pillar of support for us and always motivating us. Thank you so much for your time also. Thank you so much, participants, for giving us the cooperation and time. Thank you so much. And at last, I would request the coordinator of the program, Dr. Priyadarshi Tapas Ranjan Swai sir, to please give the vote of thanks.
So, good afternoon, all of you. I feel honored and privileged to get an opportunity to propose a vote of thanks on this valedictory session of AICT sponsored Atal FDP NMFDO 2021. We are greatly encouraged by Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir, Professor Bansidhar Mai Sir in absentia, Chief Guest of Function, Professor Alok Satpathy Sir, Dean Student Welfare, Professor S.S. Das Sir, and HOD of Mechanical Engineering Department, Dr. Chitaranjan Dev Sir, Coordinator and Co-Coordinator of NMFDO 2021. I give my heartiest respect to my beloved teacher, Professor Alok Satpathy, as Chief Guest of today's valedictory section for his presence in this FDP. Thank you very much, sir, for your motivational encouragement towards stress management. And this is very useful for every human being. I also thank you. I also express my heartiest thanks, Dean CDC, Professor P.R. Das sir, for giving us an opportunity to conduct this program. I also express my heartiest thanks, Dean Student Welfare, Professor S.S. Das sir, for his continuous inspiration. I express profuse thanks to my teacher, Dr. C.R. Dev sir, HOD, Mechanical Engineering Department, for giving encouragement to make this type of event. I thank him for his encouragement, guidance, and providing a stimulating environment for such educational developments. Thank you, sir. I want to express my sincere thanks to Professor Anil D. Sahasrabudhe, Chairman AICT, Dr. R.K. Soni, Director, Atal Academy, for providing grants to conduct this program, AIC FDP NMFDO 2021. Last not the least, my special and hearty thanks to the guests, faculties, my colleagues, students, and staffs for their support, dedication, teamwork, and unitarian efforts. Finally, I thank all the persons for their august presence among us. This reflects their commitment to the profession. I convey thanks to all of the distinguished participants. Thank you all.
With this, we will end our session. I hope all of you have taken something from the